still the same basic process. It doesn't whip any air into it, so it's very dense, very flavorful, and just has a unique creamy texture you don't get any other way. So that's what makes us distinctive and unique, and so we just keep doing it that way. It's not the most efficient way to make ice cream, but it makes a great product, and our customers love it. Graeter's was started back in the late 1800s by my great-grandfather, who had several ice cream stands throughout the city. It's been nice to be able to work with my grandfather and my father and now my brother and cousin and work together as a team to make this business thrive and prosper and share that family culture and experience with our customers.
We saw how Graeter's ice cream was made at their factory, and now we're going inside one of their shops in downtown Cincinnati to put it to the test. Homemade brownie, homemade ice cream, and homemade whipped cream. That's good. You can taste the freshness.
It's probably my favorite ice cream I've had since I was a kid. Living in Cincinnati, Graeter's ice cream is kind of like the only thing to eat.
That's so good.
My son loves Graeter's. It's definitely a Cincinnati institution. You like this, buddy? Yummy?